even get to cross.
Hello guys, good morning to everyone. It's a nice, beautiful day. The plan for today is going to be a long plan I'm making for this particular bike here because I'm supposed to leave this bike for service for like 3 to 4 weeks ago. But the thing was, initially the showroom was under renovation, so they told me come back later. And then the next day when I went, what they told is they are on leave on Saturdays because of Ayudha Puja work. So today I'm gonna go again and I'm gonna leave it no matter what. Please take my bike for service. Because the major thing I want to leave for service is the oil seal cap on the right upside down telescopic suspension has been broken for a long time before. That is like when we came back from Delhi, I found it. So it's been like standing idle for a long time, and then I was not able to use this bike like for regular use, especially in my brother. Look at the doggy. Cool, huh? Soft. And then last week I went to Pondy. I mean, like for my certification to my academy. So it was a nice, memorable one. Not because of the academy, but still, it was a nice experience on meeting my mentors and everyone. But the major thing, it's something running onto my eyes or before my eyes is like I met a lot of people from all over India, majorly from Bangalore, Hyderabad, and then Pune, and then Nasik, and then from Nagpur, and then from Varanasi. And then there's a guy from France even. There's a guy from Italy. The France guy was like super. Oh, shit. Why is this auto taking a left without even an indicator? Chennai, you're back to Chennai, man. I see auto turning without indicators. Welcome to Chennai. So the thing is, the France guy, he was like, man, you got some balls of steel. Yeah, the story I got from him is, he was like bored of his work and then his daily routines, and so what he decided is to travel. And then he decided to travel India because it's cheaper and also you can travel for a longer time. So he was here to India for like 6 months. Seriously, are you like mad, bro? Are you like broke, bro? No, man. I'm actually planning to travel around the world, but I want to finish India first. So he told that he chose India as his first destination. I was expecting some more traffic, but eventually I'm lucky enough today to cross this place like early as I predicted.
Bruh.
Not bad, not bad. So I got a YouTuber friend, I got a developer friend, I got a trader friend, and then
எங்க அப்பா எங்க அம்மா என் தம்பி என் தங்க
போதும் லிஸ்ட் பெருசா போய்கிட்டு இருக்கு.
I got two medicine friends. And then there was a girl from Pune who was trying to clear those public sector exams, and then she's of my age, so we got along with each other very well. And I was there on Monday and Tuesday. So yeah, I was there on Monday, Tuesday, roaming along with few people. Nice experience, man. Talking with those.
ஏற்கனவே அவங்களுக்கு நமக்கு வாய்க்கா தகராறு இருக்கு. இப்ப பொம்பளை தகராறு வரையா?
Holy sorry. So yeah, the Pondicherry story is like I got some interesting things from a lot of people. I usually had a thought like North Indians are like super weird. Sorry for that. And I met some nice people.
Thanks. Love you. Forever.
But the people met I so far in Pondicherry were definitely not like that. They are like nice people I met so far in my life. Not even in North India, you can't see people like that. Maybe because they're traveling towards the side, they want to be nice to old people. Yeah, they know I'm from South, so probably even that's a nice one, right? So nobody wants to be nice for a long time. So they were nice to me for a long time, like until they left or I left from the place. So yeah, it was a memorable experience. The fun thing happened is when I went to like Dindivanam on Thursday morning, my 220 tire got a puncture. What I tried to do is take it to the puncture shop and then fix the puncture, but puncture was not enough. The tire is already gone. So the only option I can do is to move from that place. Even to come back home, I need a new tire or some spare tire. But putting a spare tire was not a good idea. So what I did is the existing tire is a spare one, so that's why the thing got a blast. So I actually got a new tire from the MRF showroom nearby. I fixed it, and then I went to Dindivanam. This is gonna be so weird. I went to Auroville. I went to Pondicherry again. So if I go straight, I get stuck somewhere before the 80 feet. So I don't want to do that. So I'm going to take this right towards, what do you call this? Meenakshi College. Then I'll take a left. Then there's a new road right here. So I'll use that. And then take Shivan Park Road towards West Mangalam. West Mango. Comedy.
நாயரே டெலிபோன்ல செருப்பால அடிக்க முடியாதுங்கிற தைரியத்துல தானே இப்படி பேசுற.
I thought he was gonna spit, man. Luckily, he's not. taking this left again is because this road will be like less congested, more than we take the right. I believe. And what my friend Amjad told is like watching the previous first log and second log, you ride like a squid. So I'm trying to not ride like a squid. But these people, you should be like politely or you ride like decently. Everyone is going to overtake you and then like push you further towards the left side. And I don't know how to tackle this. So riding my 30-40% level, not like 50. The one thing I'm worried about now is the returning journey I'm planning is on the bus, I guess, because bus will be cheaper in this case. Auto, I'm not sure. They're gonna cost me like 200 or 250 bucks. So bus is gonna be there. I'll try to catch the bus. If not, I'll take a Rapido or Aero or something. No other go. Because I didn't have my breakfast yet. Just go in the right. It's gonna block you. The bus going to take this left, man. Oh, this is cool. I didn't know so far. Some people will be crossing the road behind the bus. So you can't go like confidently behind a bus or anything. I'm going to take some take a left somewhere. Left? Yes, right? Left is the left. No, is it? Yes, no, that's the left. So if you come from that way, you can take the left easily, like nearby. So there will be a speed breaker. I like this road because of the trees. Assume something like Chennai, whole Chennai is like full of this road. You will like riding in this hot weather. There is a speed breaker, so I don't want a hard brake. Not hard brake, hard brake. Fuck man, I thought of taking a workshop back to carry my GoPro back. Forgot. Am I dealing with short time memory loss or something? I know it was in the schooling before my exam, but is it still continuing even in my adulthood? No one believed that during my exam. I read everything. While entering into the exam hall, I forget everything.
அட வெக்கம் கட்டுவீங்களா? இதுக்கு எதுக்குடா வெள்ளையங்கிலி மாலையன்னு?
Let me see something. So, wait a second. That's pretty easy. You can even take that left, but it's like not bad like I came like last time. It was like fully abnormal. But today it's like somewhat better today. So I'll go leave my bike for the service. Tell them not to change the oil because I particularly use Motul. The time. This is the third time I'm coming here. God, please help me to leave my bike for service at least today. Happy. What role? No, what role? Are they taking for service? I'm not even sure. Let's see. Service. Wednesday ஒர்க் பண்ணாங்களேண்ணா போன ஒரு 2 வாரத்துக்கு முன்னாடி வந்து ரெனோவேஷன்னாங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் பூஜைன்னாங்க சனிக்கிழமை. நான் சர்வீஸ் இன்னைக்கு வர சொன்னீங்க. நான் லாஸ்ட் வீக் சாட்டர்டே வந்தேன். பரவாயில்ல